guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing with you a Target and Walmart haul for the spring and summer. This haul will include some stuff for myself and also stuff for my son Grayson, who's 18 months old. I just felt like we needed a couple things to get us through the summer, so let's jump into the haul. So first I want to show you the things I got from Target because I just got a couple of things from there. I got most of my stuff from Walmart. So the first thing I got was this cute little dinosaur t-shirt that says 1, 2, 3 roar, and he's holding a little crayon. I mainly got it because it's dinosaurs. I just love all the dinosaur stuff. And then the color of the shirt is just such a pretty green color, a lot different than just your basic green. And then I also got him this little shark t-shirt. Again, I got it because I really like sharks, but I also love this color as well. It's a lot different. It's nice, like a nice corally orange color, almost pink, but it looks really cute on him. Like this color, he has another shirt in this color, so I liked that one. I will I will put all of the prices down in the corner because I will probably forget to tell you the prices. So the next thing I got was this fun little bubble, light up bubble blower, and it lights up really cool. So he'll have fun with this even if it doesn't have the bubbles attached to it. It's supposed to be for 4 years plus, but like I said, even if the bubbles aren't attached, he'll have a lot of fun with that. And this was from the Target dollar spot, and it was $3. The last two things I got were, I got some scented bubbles. This probably isn't the cheapest price that you can find bubbles, but they're supposed to be apple scent, and I thought that was pretty interesting. I don't know why I would want apple scented bubbles, but why not? And these were $1. And then I also got him just a little pack of Sidewalk Chalk. I decided to get this one in the dollar spot because if he ends up not really understanding what to do with it, or doesn't really care about it, or just wants to like crush it or something, I only spent $1, no big deal. Where I know you can get like really big packs for more expensive, but I just went with the $1 one. So that's everything I got at Target. The rest of the stuff that I got is from Walmart. I found some really great things and I'm real excited to show you. So I'll just continue on with the non-clothing items. The first thing I got, this isn't really like spring and summer related. It's a bath spout cover. He's starting to get really interested in the bath spout, so it's a little bit more risky. He wants to play with the water coming out of it, so I just got this to cover it up so it's safe. And then to go with bath time, just some Johnson & Johnson Lavender bath soap. I love this one because it has the pump, but now that I'm thinking about it, he might think that's cool too and want to pump it all out, so we'll see. And the last, like, I guess bath related ish thing are just some toothbrushes. This is just a 5-pack for $1. They're really, they say they're extra soft, and they are for kids. But I got these ones because he's kind of just at the stage where he's just like chewing on them instead of, I mean, he pretends to like brush his teeth for a second, but he mainly chews on it. So I got this pack because I knew if he just chewed through them all, that'd be okay. And then eventually I would like to get him like an electric toothbrush. I think that'll be a lot more effective and he'll probably really enjoy using that. But for now, while he's chewing on them, I'm just gonna use these. All right, so to go along with the spring and summer, I just picked up an extra beach towel. We've been using the same 3 or 4 beach towels for like 7 or 8 years, so I just thought I'd pick up a new one now that, because I definitely plan on going to the pool a lot this summer. And this is just a fun little like fish pattern, super simple, so I really like that one. It's only $5.77, so why not? And then another spring summer pool item is this really cool, I had the tag somewhere, I don't know where I put it. It's this really cool wet dry bag. So the front you can put like your cell phone and money in and just like throw this whole thing into your beach bag, and then the inside is lined so that you can put wet bathing suits in there if you wanted to. Especially with Grayson, I like to change him out of his bathing suit before we leave. So having a place that I can put that and just like zip it up and go works out perfect. This could also work really well if you ended up having like, if he like peed through his clothes or something, you could put it in something like this as well. But this will definitely be hanging out in my beach bag. Okay, so those are all the items. The rest of the stuff is clothing. So for Grayson, I wanted to get him a couple of t-shirts that I didn't mind if they got messed up at daycare. They like to paint and do all kinds of fun stuff. So sometimes he comes home with stains that are a little bit difficult to get out. So I just grabbed a couple of t-shirts. I got this little shark one. This is Hi, super cute. I don't know if it's because it's like summertime that I'm just like obsessed with the shark stuff. Like I had that other shark t-shirt, and then I also have this shark shirt. I'm doing all the sharks. But I loved this one because of the color. I was trying to stay away from the button ones. I don't know. I like the t-shirts now that he's walking around. But I just couldn't pass up this really pretty green color. Super cute. Then I got this other little t-shirt. It has a little crab that says "See you later." And I just love this like turquoise color. So cute. He has some shorts that might go good with that. And then this last item isn't really like for daycare, but I just freaking love these. If you've never put your little boy or little girl in a little romper, I love this. It's like pajamas for the daytime. Like it's super simple. I don't have to think about it. So I love that. They have a couple of them, but that was my favorite. Okay, so moving on, spring and summer. Let's talk about bathing suits. Okay, who doesn't want to talk about bathing suits? So I'm in the middle of postpartum weight loss, and last summer I wore my bathing suit that I wore when I was pregnant. So it was like pretty baggy on me, but I just didn't, I wasn't in a place where I wanted to go bathing suit shopping. But this year I definitely want to take Grayson to the pool a lot, so I found this one. It's a one piece and the back is just open. So usually what happens with bathing suits is if the cup size and stuff are big enough for me and cover what I want it to cover, then going around, I don't even know what that's called, like around my back and stuff, ends up being too big. So this one, or if I get it tight enough around my back, then I'm like hanging out halfway, and I'm not comfortable with that. This one, however, is so, like, it comes all the way up here. It's supportive. It's not too loose around my back. It's so good. I freaking love this bathing suit. And it was on sale for $15. I will probably still get like a little wraparound to go around the bottom just for like when I'm walking around the pool and stuff, or wear like a kimono or cover up or something like that, but I love it. Let's see. Then I got this white kimono. So cute. So pretty. This will go with so many things. I have a couple of kimonos, but I love that this one's just nice and white. It'll go with so many different things. Has this really pretty lace detailing on it, and this other little stitching detail on the front. So cute. This will go good with dresses, with shorts, a top and leggings, whatever the case may be. The next thing I got for me, I really have learned to love dresses during the summer, especially maxi dresses. I didn't see any there at Walmart that I didn't even see any, I don't think. But I found these. This is just a super basic dress. It has pockets, which I don't really know why I would need pockets in a dress, but I love it. I don't know. I love the cut. It's not too low sometimes, or it's not too high. A lot of times in these kind of dresses, the cut comes like way up here. I feel like this is the perfect amount. Like I feel covered and comfortable. So I got this really pretty blue color. It's super, super soft and like slinky. It doesn't like cling to anything. And it just feels like cool to the touch. They had a lot of different colors in that, including this black and white striped one. So I'll show you. So I have this black and white striped one. Love it. Love, love, love it. And I love it with this green jacket. But I could definitely wear it without the green jacket. Love that. Like I said, it doesn't like cling to anything. I'm gonna live in these dresses and the other things I'm about to show you. So the other things I got were these two tops. They're the same. The cool thing about Walmart is when you find something that fits you really well, you can get it in like 10 more colors if you wanted to. But I got this top. It has this little tie at the bottom that you can adjust. So if you want it a little bit tighter or a little bit looser, it's almost a little bit of like an athletic-ish like style. But I mean, I'm definitely gonna wear this with leggings a lot. I have some jeggings that I can wear it with. I think this will be super cute. Like, I think this will be super cute with some white jeggings. Love that. And I also got it in black. And I love that they're also like more of like a faded color, a little bit longer in the back, super soft, super flattering. This also doesn't like cling to everything, because that's where I'm at in my life with the postpartum weight loss, is I don't want things clinging everywhere, you know? All right, so these jeggings, I have found these jeggings are so perfect for in-between sizes. I don't want to go out and buy an expensive pair of jeans, because I do believe in quality, or you get what you pay for. But I don't want to go out and buy a nice pair of jeans and then, I mean, hopefully lose the weight I want to lose because I'm on that track, and then they're no good anymore. So these are perfect for in between, especially when your like seasons are changing and you just want like, I really wanted a white pair of jeans, but I don't want to go out and buy an expensive white pair of jeans and then never get to wear them again. So got some jeggings, and these were really cool because they're like a nice stretchy waistband. They don't zip or anything, so they really fit like a pair of leggings. But they have pockets and everything that are functional. The front pockets don't work, but the back pockets are functional. And in the white, I got the full length. And then I also got a cropped pair in this beautiful coral color. And if you see this little cuff, that means you got the cropped pair. These are so pretty. These could go with so many different things. They go with navy, white, black, all kinds of stuff. Stripes. Love it. Perfect for the summer. Oh, one last item. Well, it's actually two, but they're the same thing. I got like doubles of things. Like I said, when I find something, I try to get multiple colors. But there are times when I'm on day 4 of not washing my hair, which I'm very proud of that. If you think it's gross, oh well. I've gotten really good at styling my hair each day, what's working for my hair, and to where I like it every day. This is actually we're 2 days away. So I washed my hair 2 days ago, and I just recurled it, and you know. But day 4 can get a little rough. So I wanted a hat that I could wear on that 4th day. So I just picked up this black one, and these are $3.97. They have a ton of colors. They have some really pretty, there's like this really pretty mint turquoisey color, like a really light. That would be so perfect, but I didn't know what I would wear it with. But black, I basically could wear with everything I just bought almost. So I got the black one. Like I said, this will be perfect for that 4th day hair. So cute. Then I also got a camo one. I don't know that I'd wear it with this outfit, but I thought this one was really cute. I don't have any other camo stuff, and I wasn't like finding any like t-shirts or anything that I just loved. But I thought this was really cute. Super. So I really like it. $3.97. You can't beat it. I might even pick up a couple other colors. I'm just not like a huge hat wearer. Like I said, it's kind of gonna be for those days. Either like if I want to put my hair up, like if it's really hot out, or just the days that it's day 4 and I need to wash my hair. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe by clicking that button down below so you don't miss future videos to come. And I hope you guys have an amazing spring and summer, and I'll see you next time.